Shravan, hi. So, just tell me your location right now. You were at the DRDO throughout. Before we continue with the debate, tell me the latest. Since we last spoke, you said she's going to be called for questioning tomorrow. Now, she's gone and complained. And it appears the entire Mumbai police machinery turned out for her. Shravan.
Well, Arnab, can I also tell you a little bit more about what has actually happened when Rhea Chakrabarti was about to leave? Now, this is the information that I picked up. Mumbai police had brought in about 4 policemen. For the last 1 week or so, we have seen there were no police presence. When others were being questioned, no police presence. The day Rhea Chakrabarti actually is questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation, minutes before she was about to leave from here, you've had 4 police vans being brought in. And as I'm standing, this is the place where you would see that they had completely cordoned off at the moment when Rhea was basically coming out. And you had only police officers basically who were standing here. You had constables who were standing there. And just like a VIP, her car was basically moving out. And we are talking about whom? We are talking about prime accused number 1. And here you've had Mumbai police sending their own men, ensuring that she gets a proper escort, and she then basically goes back. That's one information I just wanted our viewers to know, that this is how Mumbai police has essentially been protecting Rhea Chakrabarti. We have seen what happened on the day when Indraneel was supposed to be summoned by the enforcement directorate. He first went to the police station, was looking for some sort of a protection. This protection that Mumbai police is more than willing to provide, this is certainly laughable given the fact that we are talking about an accused in this particular case. Now, quickly to take our viewers through what I've basically picked up as far as the questioning is concerned. Remember, she's been questioned for over almost 10 hours today. The CBI is saying that this is just a preliminary investigation that has happened today. She's going to be called in for questioning tomorrow. And tomorrow, what she's going to be facing are the statements that have been recorded of Neeraj, statement of Siddharth Pithani, and she is going to be questioned about. There will be cross-questioning that is essentially going to take place. So it is going to be very important as to how Rhea Chakrabarti essentially responds tomorrow, because that is going to lay the foundation for the next few days as far as the investigation goes.
Absolutely. In some time, if you can also get on Alisha with us, because we'd like to talk about that sequence when you and Alisha actually confronted Sandeep Singh. Our viewers will be extremely interested in that. Pradeep Bhandari, you're live and you're on the debate as well. Before I go back to Shravan and Alisha, I want to make one simple point here today, viewers. This channel confronts and questions people. This channel does not give people a platform. And this is the reason we launched Republic. This is the reason. And you're seeing it out there. Because when it counts out there, you see all these Lutyens media falling like a pack of cards. I'd like to only say here today, you need to arrest Rhea Chakrabarti.
Well, this is the latest images now. Latest images this is of the CBI team. This is the CBI team which has just left right now. What you can see, this is the last team that was here, and the team is just on its way out. They would be going to the CBI headquarters. This is the final round of questioning that has basically taken place. We have get you all the updates. That's the team that is left. 4 senior officers who have just gone out. So as far as today's investigation is concerned, we can say that it's almost concluded.
What about Siddharth Pithani and all? Where are they? Siddharth Pithani, Dipesh Sawant, where are they? Have they come out yet?
Pithani has already left Pithani has already left The only person to come out right now would be Miranda, and for that matter, Dipesh Sawant. That would be the last team that would be coming out.